What's up, guys? Welcome back to Orient Fishing Adventures. Today we are out here on the river. We are back on the Wild River system that I was about a month ago, and the water levels are a little bit higher today, which is great. I'm actually kind of happy about that. And we're gonna get out here and we're gonna get on the grind. Hopefully there's some fresh fish moving in the system. There's a chance that we could find some stray hatcheries out here. Every now and then you might run into one of those in this system. But we're gonna get out here. This is gonna be the very first spot of the day, and there's a couple other spots along this stretch that we're gonna fish, and we're just gonna see what we can find. All right, so let's get going, guys. All right, it is coming down out here, but we're gonna get things started with the bead rig. We're gonna start right here on this close seam, just like I did last time I was here. Start on this close seam, and then we'll work our way out. First drift with the worm. Okay. All right, guys. So this is the spot we moved to. We're gonna fish this for a little bit with the bead. We're gonna try out the winterberry, and then probably gonna switch out from the winterberry to something else. This water is a pretty good speed for fish to be sitting here. They could be right up along this bank, so I'm just trying to fish close first. Then I'll work out. Oh, there's a little snaggy right there, snaggity daggity. That's okay. Let's see where that gets us. Ooh, I like that drift. Ooh, I like that right there. Oh. Yeah, I think I'm gonna spend a little bit of time on this spot here. It looks just so good. Drifting down through the middle. Alright, so we switched up to the worm before we do the other bead change. We're just gonna run this worm through the same spots. Water conditions should be perfect for running a worm. Alright, we're starting things out with a little Dillon Rush Outfitters worm. Gonna see what we can do here with that. Been wanting to fish this hole all season, and last time I was here I didn't even get this far down in the river system, so we're gonna start with the worm. Hopefully find a worm fish in here, that'd be sweet. And then we'll try the bead next. The river has been absolutely crazy today. Like, last time I was out here was before all the winter storms that we've had recently. And I think I'm gonna deepen it because this is a pretty deep hole. So let's drop it a little deeper. But there is just carnage all over the entire river system. There's freaking trees down all over the place. There's trees in the water that weren't in the water last time I was here. It's just honestly like kind of crazy. Like, you can see across from me here, there's this tree that's kind of in the water here. That was not in the water last time. But there's like whole trees down along the bank, farther upriver and stuff. So my worm got stuck on this grass right here at the bank. All right, so we changed up our depth here. We're gonna throw another cast right up in here. There's a lot of big boulders. There's a lot of structure in this hole. It could be holding water for some big fish, that's for sure. So we're just gonna grind it out. Gonna fish this spot for a while. Throw a couple different techniques through here. Let's see if anything can find a fish. Okay, that was running a weird. This would be the sweetest spot ever to pull a wormfish, man. Like, if I got my first wormfish here, I'd be more than excited. I'd be freaking ecstatic. There's a snag. Shit. Oh no. Fuck. Fuck. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Head on to another spot. Tried to fish this as well as I could. It's not, I would like if it was a little bit lower, just a wee bit. Like, I don't know, if the river was like half a foot lower, this would probably be perfect. I think if it was a foot lower, we'd still be good, but if we had a half a foot lower, I think the flow would be just right coming through here. So we're gonna get heading back up to the car and head on down the river a little bit farther. There's another spot I'd like to fish down the way, and then we're gonna go back up river. There's a few spots that I passed on the way here that looked super good. Water was just perfect speed through the ones that I was looking at earlier, so we'll see what we can do. Keep on grinding out here. Beautiful. I also learned a valuable lesson today. Don't leave home with my corkers if I only have felts on, especially when it's raining, because oh man, boys, when you don't have grip and it's muddy, it's brutal. We are downriver, new spot. Throwing the bead out here first. It is really dumping out here though. Right, we switch back to the worm. Gonna make a couple casts through here with this. There it goes, down the drift. Okay. Throw it back up. Alright guys, we're going to start at the spot right here with a worm, and I'm going to start close, right up against this bank I'm on here. We'll make a drift down, and then we're going to work across. I really want to fish right under that tree there. You can see there's already a spinner. Well, you might not be able to see that, but there is a spinner stuck in the tree right there. So I'm going to fish this with a worm, and then I'm going to follow it up with a spinner. It's a pretty nice run. Get a good drift here. Okay, that's about... That's good. Okay. Okay, I think I need to go a little bit deeper on the worm. Okay, let's go about there. Okay. Man, I'm I'm just gonna try this real quick. We're gonna get it all the way over on this bank across from me. Because, that drift right there, just right under the tree. I mean, oh, what was that? I had a slow kind of bobber down. Okay, I'm going to try to make that drift again. Because I don't know, man. When I look at this, I see that there's a lot more cover on that side of the bank than there is on this side. There's an overhanging tree with some cover. There's a little break in the current back there. So, I don't know. Oh. Like right through there. Oh, I don't know what that was. Getting my blood pumping. I feel like there should be a fish, so I'm just going to continue to fish this line here. Ooh. Right up in there. Alright, we're switching back to the spinner here. We're going to run this one through here now. Couldn't get anything to commit on the worm for me. So we're going to work through here with the spinner now. See if anything's interested in this. Alright, so just to save time, we're going to take the worm, we're going to take the spinner. This is what we're going to fish this run with. My bead rod is not set up, and I don't really want to take the time to set it up until I get back up river, because I have a few miles to go to get back to where I want to be. But we're going to fish this run right here because it looks juicy. I think we'll start right over here on this high point. I'll make my casts probably breaking down the current. I'm gonna say fish would be holding on the far side. That's just my guess. We're gonna try to get it, and there's a rock or something in the middle there I can see breaking the current right up above here. Ooh. Now, I haven't fished this particular run before, so I'm not sure what the structure in the hole is like. One thing's for sure, we've definitely been getting dumped on today. Straight dumped. Okay, that should bring me right in front of those logs. Oh man, I feel like that's right where they'd be sitting too. Right in that slower lane, but next to this current here. Oh man, what was that? Freaking set that hook so fast. Okay. I like this spot though. Definitely gonna have to fish it again. Last time I came up here and was wanting to come down and fish this little area, there was somebody here already. So I just went past it. And today, there's nobody here, so I was like, oops, gonna make a quick stop just so I could check it out. Ooh. Come on. Please, I need a wormfish. It's like the last thing, the last type of method that I really want to catch a steelhead on. I've caught plenty of trout on little fake worms, but I have not caught a steelhead yet on a worm. Okay. All right, we're gonna get down here and throw the spinner quickly through this spot. Boom. Oh! Did you guys see that little trout jump out of the water from my lure? That was pretty cool. I've never seen that. Like, I literally went to go, oh, I got a hit. I literally went to pull my lure out of the water and freaking like jumped out for it. Okay, I had a hit though up against this bank. Oh, that was a hit again. What the fuck? Okay. Come on, fish. All right, guys, we're gonna call it here. It has been an awesome day out here on the river, getting to see the different holes at the water levels they are, getting to see the chaos that has happened since the last time I was out here. There's so many trees in the water, in the, like, farther downriver, there are so many trees that were laying across the river that were not there previously. And there's been landslides out here, there's been trees across the road, there's been all kinds of stuff. So I'm glad that we were actually able to make it out here to fish this river system today. And I think next time I get out, I'm going to head over here and fish this system. I did meet up with a guy earlier who actually hooked a hatchery out of here, and it was a beautiful, absolutely beautiful chrome bright hatchery. So there's still fresh fish moving into this system. It's not a hatchery system, but there are strays that come into this system, and so that was definitely one of them earlier. I helped him net it with my net, and it was pretty cool to see. I didn't get it on GoPro, but it was still a cool experience either way. So we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get back to the house and get dry, and I'll see you guys next time on another Oregon fishing adventure. Peace.